Excuse me, can you help me?
Oh, yes. What do you want?
Do you know which is the next stop?
Yes, it's Barcelona.
Thank you. Do you go to Barcelona?
Yes, I will visit a friend.
Can I go with you?
Yes, why not?
Oh, thank you, seriously.
Do you want to sit with me while the train goes to Barcelona?
Okay.
And what's your name?
My name is Bonifacio. And yours?
My name is Patracio.
And how old are you?
I am 59 years old. And you?
I am 43 years old. Oh, that's good. At what time arrives the train?
The train will arrive in half minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Did you go to Barcelona before?
No, but I visit a lot of countries. For example, New York.
And what did you do there?
I went to look at a baseball match. It was incredible. The match was emotional and very interesting.
Wow, it's incredible.
Oh, it seems the train is arriving to Barcelona.
Yes, I think the same. I have to get off the train. We have to visit my friend. It's too late.
Yes, we should better visit your friend.